My name is Ashlyn Salisky and I'm from Jessup, Iowa, and I will be graduating from the Early Childhood Education program here at Hawkeye. I came to Hawkeye right after high school the first time and I decided to go for respiratory therapy. That didn't work out for me, so I decided to take a break, and then I came back when I was 21 years old and started the Early Childhood Education program. I just think that everybody should take the time to figure out what they want to do and then apply for the program that they want to be in. I have really good instructors. My instructors are very understanding and very passionate for me, and they help me and they do support me with my life outside of school. It's been very encouraging to have people support me throughout my educational journey. Getting on the Dean's List has been very nice, and I'm very proud of myself. I've been working very hard for that. It's been my goal this whole time, and it's been very rewarding. It means a lot to me. I am going to go and get my bachelor's degree through Upper Iowa for early childhood education. After this degree, I'll be able to get my substitute teaching license, and I'll be able to do that as well at Jessup School or wherever I want to. So I'm very excited about that.